Good morning, dear student. How are you all? Okay, so you all are fine at home. So, dear student, welcome to the Maths online class. So, we all have completed the review test up to question number 4, isn't it? So, in the last class, you all have completed the question number 4. Now, today I am going to start question number 5. So, everyone take out your book and notebook also and open page 146. Page 146. Now see the question. A cloth merchant sold 27 meter 83 centimeter nylon. Means one cloth merchant is there. उसने nylon को sold किया 27 meter 83 centimeter nylon. Okay. 32 meter 12 centimeter terylene and 40 meter poplin on Monday. So how much cloth did he sell in all on Monday? So you are going to write down question number 5, length. Okay, length of nylon. Okay, first you are going to find the length of nylon is equals to 32 meter 12 centimeter. Okay, 32 meter and 12 centimeter. Then length of terylene. Okay, terylene is equals to, nylon's length is 27 meter 83 centimeter and terylene is 32 meter 12 centimeter. Okay, now length of poplin. Okay, length of poplin is equals to 40 meter. Only 40 meter is there. Okay, so length I have written. Then is how much cloth did he sell in all on Monday? So total length of the cloth. Total length of the cloth. Okay, now total length of the cloth जब आप करेंगे, then you are going to do the plus here. Here you are going to do the plus, and after doing plus, see 40 meter is there and nothing is there. So here is 20. Okay, so your answer will come 8 and 2 5 centimeter, 8 and 1 9. Yeah, means 95 centimeter. Here is 9 meter. Then 2 and 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 comes 9. Means 99 meter 95 centimeter. Okay, so total length of the cloth is 99 meter 95 centimeter. So do it. Now see question number 6. In question number 6, Susma jumped to the height of 3 meter 82 centimeter and Anita jumped to the height of 4 meter 18 centimeter. How much higher did Anita jump than Susma? Okay, so here you are going to see height jumped by Susma. Okay, height jump by Susma is equals to 3 meter 82 centimeter. Okay, then height jumped by Anita. Okay, height jumped by Anita is 418 centimeter. Okay, now how much higher did Anita jumped than Susma? So here you are going to find the difference. Okay, difference between their height. Okay, इन दोनों का हाइट का डिफरेंस यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट. तो डिफरेंस निकालने के लिए आपको क्या करना है, 3 में से 4 को आपको माइनस नहीं करना है, बिकॉज 4 इज ग्रेटर नंबर देन 3. सो आपको 4 में से 3 को माइनस करना है. ओके, सो दिस यू आर गोइंग टू सी 4 मीटर 18 सेंटीमीटर minus 3 meter 82 centimeter. Okay, this you are going to do here. After doing this, here comes 6 and here is 1, तो इसने carry लिया तो 11 में 3, 8 minus करा तो, and here becomes 0 meter, means 36 centimeter. So here you are going to write down 36 centimeter higher, 36 centimeter higher did Anita jumped than Susma. Okay, so do it question number 5 and 6 both. Do it fast, student. 2 more questions are there. Okay, student, done. Now come to question number 7. Question number 7. Okay. See the question. A park is in the shape of triangle with its side 72 meter, 50 centimeter, 60 meter, 40 centimeter, 56 meter, 80 centimeter long. How much will Ruchi have to walk if she goes round the park? Twice. Okay. Twice means 2 times. एक राउंड उसने ट्राइंगल शेप की पार्क है, ठीक है, इट इज ऑफ ट्राइंगल शेप, बट रुचि ने इसको क्या करा, इसको ट्रेवल करा वहां हेयर हेयर एंड हेयर 2 टाइम्स, अगेन हेयर हेयर एंड हेयर. ओके, ट्वाइस उसने करा. तो सी हेयर द लेंथ ऑफ द park. Okay, length of the park is what? Is equals to how much? Length of the park is equals to 72 meter, 50 centimeter, then 60 meter, 40 centimeter, then 56 meter, 80 centimeter. Okay, these are the length of the park. Okay, or you are going to write down the shape of the park. Okay, no, don't need shapes, shapes of the park. Okay, so here you are going to write down centimeter, 0, 9 and 8 will become 70. Okay, 70 centimeter, 1 carry. Okay, carry will go here, 1 2 3 3 and 6 is 9 meter, then 7 6 is 13 13 and 5 is 18. So total is how much? 189 meter, 70 centimeter. Now see the question, student. How much will Ruchi have to walk if she goes round the park twice? उसने वो 2 बार राउंड करा. तो you are going to write down the total length of the park twice. Okay, twice. तो ट्वाइस करने के लिए यू आर गोइंग टू डू 2 इंटू 189 मीटर 70 सेंटीमीटर को, इसको आपने क्या किया, आपको 2 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. ओके, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो इट विल कम, बैक साइड से मैं कर रही हूं, 14 कैरी 4. ओके, 1 18 and 1 9 मीटर, 9 3 7. Okay, your answer will come 379 meter 40 centimeter. Okay, so do it fast. Now I think you will not have any problem, isn't it? Okay, so do it. Now, question number 8. True or false? Okay, true or false? A, B, C, D, E, क्वेश्चन नंबर ए, किलोमीटर इज द स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट फॉर मेजरिंग लेंथ. No, meter is the standard unit for measuring length. So here you will going to write down false. Okay. Now see, centimeter is the best unit to express the height of a tower like कुतुब मीनार. No, कुतुब मीनार को सेंटीमीटर में हम लोग उसको मेजर नहीं कर सकते, वो मीटर में आता है. तो here also false. Then is of meters, decimeter, centimeter and kilometer. किलोमीटर इज द बिगेस्ट यूनिट. यस, किलोमीटर जो होता है वो बिगेस्ट यूनिट है, तो इट इज ट्रू. नाउ मीटर वुड बी टू स्मॉल अ यूनिट टू मेजर द हाइट ऑफ अ ट्री. मीटर जो है वो बहुत ही स्मॉल है. अगर हाइट ऑफ द ट्री हम लोग मेजर करेंगे तो मीटर इज स्मॉल. नो, मीटर इज करेक्ट. हम लोग जब हाइट, किसी भी हाइट, ट्री की हाइट अगर मेजर करते हैं तो वो मीटर में ही मेजर करते हैं. तो हियर अगेन यू आर गोइंग टू राइट डाउन फॉल्स. Okay, then is 1 kilometer is equal to 100 centimeter. Again false. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Now 1 meter is equal to 10 decimeter. Yes, it is true. Then last is 1 decimeter is equal to 100 centimeter. No, again false. It's 10 decimeter. Okay, so your review test 9 is completed now. So do all the exercises in your notebook. Okay, so do it fast. Okay, done student. So your review test 9 is completed. Now next we will start measurement of weight. Okay, हम लोग अभी length पढ़ रहे थे, अब हम लोग weight पढ़ेंगे. Now I will start this on Monday. So till then keep learning and practicing at home. Bye.